Good morning, dear children. Again, I am here to explain the conversion. Okay, so now be ready for this one. So take this one. This one is what? Binary to hexadecimal. So now question is here. How will you convert binary to hexadecimal? So now look here. This one is an example. Binary numbers are given. My dear, please pay attention once again. Suppose you know now what is the highest number of the hexadecimal. That is the 15. You know this one. Okay, so now when you will convert 15 in a binary form, so you can see the what will be the result? 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times 1. This is the binary number of 15. 15 is the highest number of the hexadecimal digit. Okay, so now what is the binary number of this one? 111 means what? 4 bits. Okay, so to represent highest number, how many bits are required? 4 bits. Means what? Less than 15 means what? 14, 13. For these numbers, we need not more than 4 bits. Means what? 4 bits से ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So that's why you come here. Look. So you will make the combination from right to left. Right to left. For how many bits you will take? 4. That's why I have taken here 4 bits combination. From left to right, you see here 1, 0, 1, 1. You take this one. So now, what will the binary value of this one? Binary value of these 4 digits. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 1. That will be 13. So now, 13 means what? E in hexadecimal. So that's why I have written here E. But now you take this one. 0, 1, 1, not more than the 4 digit, but you will take because not value is given. Value nahi di hui hai. That's why you will take 3 bits only, no problem. So that will be what? 6. So final answer is what? 6E. Okay. So now you will solve the other examples. Now next one, you come on here. You come on here. Now take this conversion. Binary to hexadecimal fraction. Binary to hexadecimal fraction. So now how will you solve this one? So this binary number is given here. Look here. So now what will you do? Again before the point, what is given here? Before the point, what is given? Look here, these numbers. So take 4 numbers. So take 4. Okay, 4. So what is the value of these 4 bits? These 4 bits. 1, 1, 0, 1. So that will be what? 11. 11 means what? B. Same thing here. Now take the next 4. What is this one? 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the value of this binary number? 10. Okay. So this is what? A. Same thing. After the point, take 4 from left to right. Left to right. You see that from this one, left to right. So these 4 you take here. So this will be what? 4. Next one, take again next 4. This will be what? 8. So right, that's why I have written here. So this is the answer of the binary to hexadecimal fraction. Okay. So now come on the third one, hexadecimal to binary fraction. Okay. So hexadecimal number is given here 5A. Why? How can you find out this one is a hexadecimal? Because base is what? 16. So now come on. Here, A means what? All of you know this one. A means what? 10. So this is a 10. 5, 10. 5, A means what? 5, 10. So now, you convert this 10 in binary form. Okay, how will you convert? What? You simple one, you convert 10 through this one. Otherwise, I have told you the system, Jugaad system. So you can follow the Jugaad. Otherwise, you can use this method. So convert it here. So when you will convert 10 in binary form, then you can see result 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Clear? So write down here. Now convert the 5. So when you will convert 5, so what will be the output? 1, 0, 1. Okay, why I have written here 4 bits? Because hexadecimal numbers are represented in the 4 bits. Because its highest number is 15, its binary number is what? 1, 1, 1, 1. That is what? It's a 4 bit. It's a combination of 4 bit. So highest number को जितनी जरूरत होती है उतना हम हर एक डिजिट के लिए करते हैं. So now come on the next one. Octal to hexadecimal. Octal to hexadecimal. So now how will you convert it? Now take one octal number here, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so this its base is what? 8. Now that's why it is octal. Okay, now convert this one in a hexadecimal. How can you convert? Convert each digit of the octal number into binary form. Okay, look here, binary form. How will you convert? 5. What is the binary value of the 5? 101. Okay. First, simply don't see this one. Don't see this line. Convert simple one. 5. What is the binary value of 5? 101. Okay, you see here this one. You see this one. 101. 101. This is the binary value of 5. But now binary value of 4. 011. Okay, you see here 011. 001. Then binary value of 2. Binary value of 2 you see here 0010. Why I have taken 4 bits? Because octal number. For octal numbers, if any decimal digit you want to, any octal digit you want to represent within a in a binary form, so what will you do? You will take in combination of 3. So that's why binary ke liye ho gaya. But now this one is what? This one is what? This is the octal. Now when you will convert in hexadecimal, then what will you? You will take the 4-4 combination. Take the 4-4 combination. So this 4 is what? 1010. This will be 5. This will be 5. Next 4, what? 10. Next one is single 0 is there. It's over. So now 10 means what? A. 5. So A5. You see here A5. Final answer what? A516. Same thing here. Take the other example. This is a fraction one. The same thing here. First you will convert 24 in binary form for the octal. So what will be the 4? 001. This one will be 4. Okay. Then 2. 012. This is a 2. Okay. You will represent in a 3 bits. Then you will go for the hexadecimal. So now you take 4 bits. Okay. So this will be what? 4. And last one is what? 1. Or after the fraction you will select 4 from left to right. That's why you take from here. So 0, 1, 1, 0. This is a 6. Now 0, 1 is there only. So this will be 1. This is the final answer. So now these questions now you will solve. Okay. This one you will solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And send to me for the correction. God bless you. Thank you.